Order of operations. Ugh, what the heck is this? Well, this is what everyone seems to know, but this is pretty bad. Let's try this. First, second, third, fourth. That doesn't look like a 4. Okay. Let's look at this example. And then hopefully we could solve that Facebook problem that no one can for some reason, which is terrible. Go through the steps, check. Okay, so 4 plus, we have to find out what 2 cubed is first, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Alright, did it. Now, you have to stay within the parentheses, so that's 12. And then you just recopy everything. And now, ooh, I almost made a mistake. First we did exponents and parentheses, now we have to go to multiplication and division. So 12 divided by 4, and now you can go to addition and subtraction, absolutely last. Okay, so those are your steps. I'm going to ask you guys to try this. There's the answer. All the steps. Let's look at another example. One thing people are going to think is we got to look at this guy because of the parentheses. That's just to tell you the sign value. So our first step, so there's parentheses, but we don't have to do anything. So we could take that out. But we go to the exponent. That equals 9. Recopy. And now we're here, multiplication, division, but we go left to right, left to right. So that's 4 times 9 plus negative 10. We're still at multiplication because we haven't finished everything. 36 plus negative 10. Now we could just add those two things together, which is 26. Alright, you try one. Alright, let's look at this crazy example. First step, here. Find out what the square root of 16 is. And recopy. Ooh, this is a tricky one. I forgot about this. Now, we have to do exponents. And this, side note, is right pen. Negative 2 to the third power equals negative 2 times negative 2, because it's in parentheses. So this actually equals, 2 of the negatives cancel out, making 4. And then the other negative makes it negative 8. Oh, right down here. Well, this So this becomes negative 8. And just recopy everything. I'm also going to solve the parentheses plus 8. Keep it in parentheses because that 2 means multiplication. Lots of 8s. That becomes 16. 8 plus negative 8. And I'm going to do a trick here. Where I can, because addition you could add in any order. So I'm going to add these guys, knowing that's going to give me 0. So those go away. And I'm just left with 16. You could have done it just out, but that's the faster way. So I'll pause it here. And you try. Pause here. And here's the answer. I'm going to give you this viral image that went around and ask people to try this now, knowing that 90% of people fail this somehow. So I'll pause it here. Hopefully most of us got this answer, recognizing that this had to happen first because it's order of operations. Bonus question. Bonus question again.